Good morning, student. Yesterday we learned about countable and uncountable noun. There is an exercise which have both countable noun and uncountable noun. We have to separate them and write them in countable noun and uncountable noun. So, students, I gave you this work to write it in your book. The first one is their car, shop, rod, cup, etc. And in uncountable nouns, we have iron, generosity, water, anger, all the things. Okay. So, and in exercise B, fill in the blank with the correct option. There is uses of some, any, or many. Okay. So, student, as you know that we use many in the countable noun and much for uncountable noun. Let us start. Do this exercise in your book. So here is the exercise. We can once again explain it. Here is the exercise. How many dishes are we taking? It is countable noun, so we use here many. Same. How much salt? Salt is uncountable noun, so we use here much. Can I have dash sugar for my tea? Or students, you know that sugar is uncountable noun, so we use here some. Okay. Do you have dash money with you? We can't use here any much. We use here some money. We have dash this to catch up with our work. Days. To catch up with our work, there is several days. So like this, we uses here some, any, prefer to have an, if there is much, how many. Please give me some. Poonam doesn't have much. I want to buy a. Student, I also sent the exercise of this one, and I hope that you all will wrote it in your fair copy. Now we come to exercise C, that is insert a or an wherever required in the following sentences. So student, can you tell me that what is a and are and? These are articles. These are indefinite articles because these are not point to any particular person or thing. It is a or an we use for a thing for one. Okay, and all of you know it that we use a for the word that start with consonant and we use for the word which is started from vowels, and you all know that a, e, I, o, u consider as vowels. So let us start to do this exercise. The first one is dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. I know that you know it very well, student, that apple a is considered as vowel. So we use here and. He wants to eat dash ice cream. Student, as you know that A, E, I, O, U are considered as vowels. So here I is vowel. So we use here and. He want to eat an ice cream. Mohan want to purchase dash geometry box from the market. Now geometry is consonants. G is consonant. So we use here A. And A stand for 1. Mohan want to purchase a geometry box from the market. The Mehers have dash apple orchard. A is vowels, so we use here and. Now the fifth one is dash machine. Mechanic paid a visit to repair the TV. Here mechanic M is consonant, so we use here A. Dash boy always prefers to play outside rather than staying at home. Before boy, we use here A. Then dash orange in the morning were wonders for the skin. O is vowel, so we use here and. Then he has gone to his room to make dash painting, a painting. So student, please try to yourself in the books that what is the uses of article and where it is used. Thank you student.